Hey, this is Kim with Kim and Perry. I made this fun little spreadsheet for you because I love spreadsheets. They do amazing things. This one will help you figure out if your ASINs are meltable. Helps you figure out which ASINs are meltable, rather. Because Amazon doesn't want you to send in multiple ASINs for about half of the year, and they want you to remove the ones that are unmeltable. But sometimes they make it kind of hard to figure out which ones those are. So I'm here to make it easier for you. I made you this neat little sheet, and all you do is come to this column right here and paste in a list of all your ASINs that you want to check. And if you have a bigger spreadsheet and it has other data in it coming over here in the other columns, it doesn't matter. That's not a problem. Paste it or don't paste it. It's up to you. Just make sure that your ASINs are in this first column. That's all you have to do. And then come over here to your meltables, and you might have to pull down this button, and you can look at everything, or you can look at just the ones that are, yes, meltable. See, it shows you just the list of yes and everything else disappeared. Or you can look at just the list of no if for some reason you want to know just the ones that are good. So now you know how to easily check which of your ASINs are meltable and which ones are not. And make sure you create a removal order for the meltable ones before Amazon's deadline, which in 2021 is April 15th. That's when you got to get them out of there.